Obviously last time we identified where they were happening. And so I've gone ahead and gotten the parts for at least the first two, with the exception of the exhaust itself for the for the muffler. Muffler, we're not going to worry about today. We're going to hopefully do this relatively quickly. So says Eric.
It'll be so easy. It's going to be so easy.
You said about brakes.
Yeah.
But it should.
Well, this time we looked at it first.
It should actually be easy. Yes. We have everything we need. But yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Fingers crossed. That's going to go down towards the straight pipe, right in here. And then coming out of the manifold, bam, and that's one for each. This hopefully is all we need. Here's like 15 bucks. So we'll pop the hood.
Yeah, so there should be a huge difference. It's so loud up here.
Probably, mainly it's probably not even going to be tonally, it's just going to be volume. So,
yeah, well it should be less like spitty and raspy too.
Yeah, especially when it's on the move. So I'm excited. Let's take those bolts off and get this over with because it's hot.
Yeah.
All right.
There's 3 12 mils. I took them off, and now the heat shield is off.
Yeah.
And now you can see this 4 to 2 to 1 header.
Mm-hmm.
And
I'm interested in getting in there.
The 4 to 2 pipe is right here, and the 2 to 1 pipe is right here. So we're gonna take this off. It looks like there's a nut here, and then I presume one on the back side.
Shall we jack it up?
We're gonna come take it off. Yeah, I guess.
You can clearly see one there in the middle, one up there, and then one on the other side in the corner. So 2 corners and in the middle. So we just need a heck of an extender.
Yeah, we're gonna use some big extension.
We'll try this one out.
And this 12 mil socket.
Yep. And see if we can get to it. This is gonna be very awkward.
Yeah, can you even get it up there?
Yep, same
Yep,
deal.
that's it.
14, beautiful. All right, cool.
So let me drop it on your face.
Go for it.
Just kidding.
All right, I had to give up. Eric nailed it immediately. Because of course he did.
Putting these back on is going to be really fun.
Yeah.
Promise.
You're doing great.
It sucks.
It's only hot.
Just holding this up is just...
It's hard.
Over time you're like, man, it's heavy.
Cars are a pain.
It's just a nut.
Got you. There you go. All right, 2 more times.
We can't do this one that way.
Nope, you're probably going to need to be where I am.
It's, no, I mean, like, this does not fit.
Okay, so we're on to the middle bolt. I have to help peel the diaper back. Teamwork is great. Don't mind me. Nothing rash here. There we go. Yay!
Woo.
Okay. Imagine having a proper lift. Well, I heard it.
Yeah, we need a new one of those probably. Just a nut. Something like any hardware store or whatever.
Fine.
It'll be easier than trying to fuck with that. That's where all our problems came from, really.
Yeah.
Also, it's hot. Yeah, we have to choose. We either have to remove this joint or take the header off.
Yeah, because it's going to be too...
This is only 2 bolts, so that's probably easier.
It's probably easier to just do that one. Yeah. Oh, there.
It doesn't really look like you can get at them very easily, at least not with like a socket like we were using.
Yeah.
Like you can see there's no room to stick a wrench right here.
No.
Oh, that worked.
Oh, wow. Okay, well, that was easy. 15, 11.
Oh, that kind of works.
It kind of lodges in there. There you go. That's nice. That's satisfying. Hey.
Why don't I make way more money than I currently do?
Can you imagine making way more money?
Yeah.
Every day.
Yeah, I do,
Like literally every day I was like, you know what would solve this problem? Money.
Way more money than I currently have.
Man, this really wouldn't be that much of a big deal. Whoa, wait, no, do it again. On camera here. Yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
That's for
It's
power
just a
steering
dust
fluid?
boot. That's not.
Oh, it's a dust boot, okay.
Oh, but it is leaking.
Power steering? Yeah, crap. Actually, I can zoom in.
Actually, I know what to do about this. Sell the car.
Yeah, that's the plan.
You just are like, it's a project. Here, have fun.
It's not perfect. It runs. It has air conditioning.
Yeah, I mean, frankly, like, yeah, if you care about a lot of this stuff, then you're just driving a car that's too old.
Yeah, that's fine.
You know.
Again, it's a car that I've learned how to drive manual in. I've enjoyed it. Got some videos out of it.
Oh, yeah. I keep forgetting that.
Keep going to drive it. It does get disorienting being on your back and so close to something.
Yeah, and like you just can't see anything.
You know, you're up, down, or left or right. It's like, what is above me anymore? Cars are fun.
Cars are fun to drive.
To drive. You know what's fun about cars? Driving them.
Yeah, I was watching Stanceworks video the other day.
Mm-hmm.
He's like, he made like a custom Ferrari wide body time attack car thing.
Oh, nice.
And he was like, if I had to choose between driving and building, like if you guys have been watching this channel for a while, you know that it's building. And I know there are other people who agree with him, but I don't. If I had like magic fairies that built my car for me, I would be so happy.
Oh, I would have staff.
Jay Leno.
Yeah.
Like, I'll come and help, you know?
Yeah.
If I break
Drive
a bolt,
them.
I'm like, oh, sorry, Bill.
Yeah. And I guess it's good to learn, you know, how things work.
Yeah, that's the only part I actually like is like...
Learning how it functions.
I usually don't really understand all the car stuff until I do it.
Oh, yeah, no, absolutely. There's so much. They're such complicated machines, man.
Yeah, the cool thing
They have
is
a
it's
billion
kind of
parts.
Like, it's kind of like 100,000 simple things,
Yeah.
which makes it complicated.
Yeah.
But it means that you can kind of understand it if you just go one piece at a time.
Every system makes perfect sense. You just have 100 systems.
Again, imagine how fun it'll be to put it back on.
Cars are fun.
Cars are fun
To
to
drive.
drive.
I bet you it might be okay. How does it feel?
Stuck. There we go.
And there they are.
See him?
Yeah. You can clearly see.
There's cracks there and crack there.
Back there. Versus your brand new one. Looks about right.
Oh, so the first part of our sound test is you have to piss off all your neighbors for 30 seconds.
No. Oh, God. And just hear what it sounds like without it? Sure.
Just really quick.
Okay.
Oh my God. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine.
Amazing.
That's fine.
But no, that's oh, that's amazing.
That's hilarious.
Cars are fun.
Okay, well let's replace those goddamn gaskets, huh?
Yeah.
Get those little bits that drop down the tube out.
There you go.
Here, that looks a little.
Ooh, it's snug. Is that really it?
Oh, or push away and pull down. Yeah. I think that was it.
Hey.
We got to go to Dominion Street Racing on Friday
Yeah,
and drag race each other.
I think you'll win.
Same. We're back from the store.
Yeah, so, well, hopefully these fit properly.
I'm retarded, and I just put these on backwards. I think maybe it was me. I don't know.
Well, so regardless, we forgot that these go on a certain way. One side has a hole that's slightly larger than the other one, and you can tell the way this bolt is built that there's a little piece that comes through, and that's how it compresses. You can see it clearly on this one.
And that's how you know where to stop, too.
Yeah.
That little piece will butt up against it, and then you know you're good.
Like that, yeah. So it's actually compressing now. We were just tightening it. You can see the one up here is backwards. So that's why it wasn't tightening, because it hit, that little piece just hits the hole and stays in place. We ended up bailing on the bolts for the downpipe. So the old ones worked. Screw it. Put it back on.
Yeah, we couldn't get.
I put the shield back on, so
for no obvious reason, it just didn't work.
Once we can get these back on again, we're good, and then we can actually drive it. I don't think we're going to get to the other exhaust leak today, but I will try my hand at it. Surely it's not. Surely it's not too bad.
So we just did everything in reverse. It took like 5 minutes.
We literally just did everything in reverse. Yeah.
And we didn't have any problems.
There were no problems
at all. We simply
it only took us 20 minutes.
We simply put it back on. Everything's fine. Now Ernie's gonna start the car.
I can't get the socket off. So we managed to, hopefully we're about to find out if we actually fix that leak. We'll see if it's actually that noticeable on camera on the downpipe. And then, yeah, let's see what it sounds like.
Back there.
I think it sounds a little better.
I think it's a little better. It's hard to tell.
It's hard to tell. We won't know.
There might still be something, but we'll do it
until we spray it.
We'll do another spray sometime. Yeah.
I'm gonna drive it out, see what it sounds like. Well, until next time. Peace.